Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to transform your speech into text notes. Using only Python, so stay tuned and we are ready to code. Before I start writing some code, we need to import two libraries. To install these libraries, open your favorite command line and write pip install PyAudio. I have already installed this library. And the second is pip install speech recognition. As with the first library, I have already installed this one. This helps us to set up the project and we are ready to code. Our first step will be import the speech recognition library as SR. From here I will import the recognizer, that means SR dot recognizer in brackets, because this is a class, and with SR microphone like this with brackets, S source, I will record audio with the recognizer listen to audio, not listen to audio but listen to the source, to our microphone. But quickly before this I will adjust the audio quality by writing recognizer dot adjust ambient noise from the source, and the duration will be 0.2. This means how much time it will take to set up a recognizer. Now our recognizer is listening to the source and generating audio, but we don't have any text. So I will write here text is equal to recognizer. Recognize, we have a lot of module to choose from. I will choose Google one and here enter the audio. I will transform the text into a lowercase and print it out. Print text and here new line, backslash new line. And if happens that this won't work, I will wrap this code into a try section like this, and if something goes wrong I will copy here the predefined exceptions and shift plus tab. Now our code is running. We will see if it's running or not, but it will take only one line and this line will display to the terminal. It is not working. I have one mistake. I forget the brackets here. Now we can open your favorite command line, write cd to change directory, copy the path where your file is stored and paste it here like this, press enter. Now if you are on Windows, write dir, if you are on Linux, write ls to see all the files in your directory, and to run your speech recognizer, write Python, the name of your file, press enter. Now it is working. Let me see the text notes. It take the sentence, we found the notes because I was speaking very slowly, but doesn't matter, it is working. Let me adjust the code so it will store this text into a text file instead of straight to the terminal. To achieve our desired functionality, I will put this code into the function because I will call this function twice. Here I will define a function mic listening. There will be like first string and end string as a parameter of this function. Like, put it like this. This will return text. This will return none. This will also return none. And before trying the mic, I will print out the first string. And here, instead of printing only the text, I will print out through the F string the end string with the text and the new line. After the function, I will define a while loop with true, so it will run infinitely, but there will be a break, so don't worry. At the start of this function, I will call the mic listening for the first time, like this mic listening, and the first string will be say something, and I will make text from it. Say take notes to take notes, for example, and the second string will be you said and this. Okay, if the text you said is equal to take notes in the lowercase, because we transform the text to the lowercase, it will open a text file named notes.txt in the write mode. I will use append mode. It will append and it won't rewrite the old text as p, like a file. And I have a mistake here, it is not open. You have to write with open like this. And if we wanted to take that note, I will call the mic listening once again. For example, like notes will be equal to our function here. Say something to write to the text file, and the end string will be the same. You said this one with a space. This notes variable will be empty if you haven't said nothing, but if you said something like this, if notes is true, if there is something in the notes, you will f.write to that text file, and here I will write the notes and the new line, not like with like this. No, like this. Yeah. Okay, now it is fine. And print notes have been written to the text file. Enter. And if you want to close your program, there will be the else statement. Else text is equal to stop listening. Colon. Is there something wrong? I don't think so. Yeah, I have idea what I have wrong. I think it is written like this in Python, like file.close. I will print stopping the program like this and break the loop. But maybe there is a mistake. Let me... what? Again, I found a mistake. I can't write else and then condition. It needs to be elif. Now it should be working, like hold the program and it's time to take your first note that will be written to the text file. Save the code, open your command line as before and write Python, name of your file, .py, enter. Take notes. Hello, these are my first notes. I hope you like this video, hit subscribe. As you can see, it wrote the notes to your note.txt, and also it write everything you said and you will say to the terminal itself. We have got to the end of this video. If you like this tutorial, smash subscribe button, share with your friends and write something nice to the comment section. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Peace.